So if you connected these, the ball feet, after you glue them on, it's good to tighten these as last, because this just slides over the extrusion, and then you can start pulling here afterwards, pulling lateral tension on there. You can loosen up these, the hinges. As you can see, you can lay the tool flat up, and it's up to you to choose how you wanna, I'm holding the camera now of course, it's up to you to choose how you wanna do the lateral tension. You can do it this way, that way, on a car, whatever you want. If you block the hinges, if you just tighten the hinge, you can do it hand tight. You can do it with some kind of a key or whatever you're using here. Because then you can drop in the lifter if you want to help you lift if the lateral tension ain't enough as a pull. So this is the lock-on lifter. It just drops through. And you can just drop it in, click it on there, and then you can start pulling while you're putting lateral tension on. We're gonna try to pull first, lateral tension only, and see how it behaves. See if my glue is, yeah, glue is hard. Let's take the lifter out for now. Put some tension on here and see what happens. So as you can see, instantly we got quite a amount of pressure there. The sled didn't even move a lot, but let's put some pressure on there, and then we can see that we're going to use the lifter and pull that one up first and help it to come. Leave the tension on there, and as you can see here, released some. This released a lot in just one pull. You see, you need some strength to start pulling to come to the original shape of the panel again. So let's say you would want to use some push tools or something else, then you just loosen up those hinges a bit here. So you can see that the hinges are loose now. I can under tension lay it down if I want to. I can now hand loosen them. But of course the bridge stays up because of all the lateral tension on it. And now you can, with your hands, choose to just lay the bridge down. You see the hinges are loose now. You can now lay it under any angle you would want, and it stays under that angle. And then you have an open area to work with. So let's go the other side. Let's say you want to be away from the door. Then you have, and it's under tension now. It's completely under tension. I didn't move anything. So let's try to lift first, put the bridge up, and then let's see we're at the right angle. Tighten the hinge first again. This one too. So I now drop the lifter in, and we're gonna start lifting that dent out. So I connected the small Kiko adapter to the lifter. As you can see, it drops right through the bridge. I'm gonna grab the tab here, the open side, bring it up a little bit, and then see that we can grab it. Just to show you again of the lifting here, the spring is pushing in, as you can see. There is a spring holding tension here, so it came down already 1 centimeter, and you can see it's coming up here to allow the whole thing to be lifted. Let's see how it behaves if I do some more. So I just released, pulled it up a little high here with the system. Just some testing here that we're doing, so. Under tension, completely open, wide open to work. And you can start using, for example, another lifter like the Robo and start pulling or pushing from underneath or whatever you want to do. And it's the whole time it's been under pressure. holding it. So one really nice thing for lateral tension for the ones that have been using it, if you start knocking down on the crowns, high spots, whatever you're knocking down, it's way more forgiving the metal, especially thinner metal, when you keep it under tension to knock down those crowns. It's like the metal wants to release and it doesn't give you so much dimples or little dents that you would have if you go too rough on knocking down or knocking away a crown. So the lateral tension prevents it from denting even, bringing the metal out straighter and faster. So with this setup, you have all the access in the world that you need to just knock away and work with whatever tool you want to work. So under lateral tension, look at how that dent just above the line just came up all the way. Now we have all the time and possibility in the world to knock it away and bring that line back to where it needs to be. After that first pulling, needs to be fixed here and then here. But you can see, I'll take a shot from the beginning in there. I've been just pulling for like 15-20 minutes and brought the door to this with some lateral tension and some lifting. That's it. To be continued. Nothing moved. With all that tension on it, the door did not kink, no dents, no nothing.